Hey, it's Scott with today's video. We had a really great day today. What's so cool is as soon as we all logged in, there was a trade set up. Sometimes we've got to wait for 10, 20 minutes, sometimes even an hour, and sometimes you don't get a trade all morning, so you don't take the trade. But today we had a setup right away, took the trade, ended the day with about 920 bucks. Really, really great day trading. Anybody can really have fun and live a great life making that kind of money every morning. So what I want to do is I want to invite you to join us for 2 weeks for free and see if you can just follow along as our other members do, follow along with Ty's trades and just mimic what he's doing. He calls out his trades in advance, tells you exactly where he's going to enter, explains the trade in detail so that you understand exactly what he's doing, you understand exactly what the risk is, and you're able to enter, follow him, make your money as well. We had a great time today. I've posted some of the comments below, all right, so that, or in the video, so that you can see what some of our members were saying as the trading was taking place, okay? And it's really, there's no risk whatsoever. Come on inside, join us for 2 weeks as my guest, and follow along and get with the program. I've been doing this for such a long time and realized that you can't teach somebody how to trade. You know what you can do? You can look over a professional's shoulder, mimic his trades, and short circuit the entire 10-year process of learning how to do this successfully. So join us today. I've got the trade coming up right now. It's in fast motion, all right, just to get through it because it ended up being about a 15-minute trade, all right? Don't want you to sit here for 15 minutes. Check it out. Love every minute of it, and join us for 2 weeks for free.